TTD in the browser and click on Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam's official booking portal link. Then click on the login link as shown in the video. Then please enter the mobile number and click on get OTP. Enter the received OTP in your mobile and click on login button. So exactly 5 minutes earlier to 10 a.m. log into this site and then click on online services. Navigate to special entry Darshan option and click on that special entry Darshan option. Exactly at 10 a.m. then once again you need to click on the online services and navigate to this special entry Darshan link and then click on that special entry Darshan link. You need to repeat this process every 30 seconds after 10 a.m. till you see the watch timer queue. Usually you will get a watch timer queue of about 5 minutes. Once you get this watch timer queue, then don't do any activity, wait for the watch timer to complete the time. Once the 5 minutes is completed and the timer goes to 00, then it will, you can just see the screen special entry Darshan availability. Just for your information, I am choosing some 2-3 random dates here to show the slots. First I am choosing the April 1st. Now you can see the slots with a different time period. One is at 12 p.m., 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 9 p.m. and 10 p.m. And each slot it will show the available tickets. Based on the date, now you can see that the slots, the timing and everything changes. Okay, I have chosen 23rd and now in 23rd I am able to see around 5 slots. In that 5 slots, the important tip is you need to choose the slot wherever the tickets availability is more. So if you do that activity, getting the tickets, confirmed tickets, is simple. If you choose slot with less tickets, lot of times you'll get failure message saying chosen slot is already closed. It will ask to choose another slot. So please keep in mind to choose the slot with maximum availability of tickets. Yes, I am choosing the 9 p.m. slot where the availability is more. And once you choose the slot, it will allow the number of tickets. So just for your information, I am showing you maximum how many tickets from single login you can book. So maximum here is 6 tickets you can book. Once if you choose the number of tickets as 6, along with this, if you want additional laddus, you can add it here. For each laddu, it will cost 50 rupees. So you want to enter how many laddus you want here. And then along with that, if you want to offer some donation amount to the hundi, that also you can enter here. And then after doing this, but these two options are optional, so it's not mandatory. So if you want, you can do or ignore it. And then after that, you click on continue button. So it will take you to the screen where you need to enter the pilgrim details. Along with that, you need to enter some general details. For the pilgrim details, you need to enter the name, age, gender and ID proof. Usually they will prefer Aadhaar and the ID proof number. So please, it is an important tip here. So before you start booking darshan 300 rupees darshan ticket, you keep this, how many tickets you want. For those tickets you keep the details of name, age, gender, the ID proof and the ID number in a notepad, so that you can quickly copy paste these things. Otherwise, because it's very less time, you will get within 5 to 10 minutes, since it's a very demanding ticket, that too in holidays time. So it will end up in 5 to 10 minutes, the entire quota will be freezed. So you need to be very quick. So for that, you need to be keep in handy all the details before booking. So I'm taking the scenario of one person booking this 300 rupees darshan ticket. So in that case, you need to choose the number of tickets as one, and then you need to select the slot. So always keep in mind that, as an important tip, the slot which is having highest availability of the tickets, you need to choose that. As per that, I'm choosing the slot of 9 p.m. which is having more tickets, 2104. So after choosing that slot, then I'm clicking on continue. Once when you click on continue, it will take you to the page where you need to enter the pilgrim details along with the general details. So enter this pilgrim details and along with the general details, and then click on continue button. Once you click on the continue button, it will show the summary once again with editing option, where you can modify if you are done any errors here. And then if everything is fine, then click on pay now button. Once you click on the pay now button, it will take you to the payment options. Here there are 3 to 4 category of payment options are there, like pay via QR code, where you can generate the QR code, scan through phone pay and pay it, and other thing are UPI. Along with that, you have cards, debit card, ATM card, and net banking. So it's having a all full-fledged payment option. So you can choose whichever the payment you're comfortable, and then click on pay now button. That's it. The tickets will be booked. View and download the darshan receipt. You need to come to the home page. In the home page, you can see there's a booking history link is there. Click on that booking history link, select service option. You can see in that, choose the special entry darshan. Now you can see your all booking details here with saying the booking status. If it is a success, it will say the booking status as success. If any failure happens, like while payment or something, you can see that failure status also here. So if the booking status is success, under the payment details, there is a one option called darshan. There you can see one link, view receipt. Click on that view receipt link. There you can see your darshan ticket, and in that you can, there is a download or print option is also there. With using that option, you can download or print the hard copy of the tickets.